Okay, sorry, this is like a really awkward view, but this is genuinely, it's sliding too. In the car, on my way home from nannying, and it is just, okay, it's been such a weird day. Like, it is so hot out right now that, like, a half hour ago, it was pouring down rain. Like, I was soaked. My car windows were down because it was so hot this morning and so sunny. And then it just started pouring while I was nannying. And I was like, crap, my car windows are down. Like, I gotta go take care of that, homeboy. So I ran out to my car, and just in the amount of time it took me to run out to my car and roll up my windows and get back inside, like, I was drenched. My hair was like sopping wet and all that kind of stuff. But anyways, it's okay because I got it taken care of. And so it is about 12:30. I'm on my way home. My friends Sydney and Faith are coming over. They're gonna be at my house about 1:30. We are going to Columbus to go shopping. I've tried on a few pageant dresses, and we're going to try on some more pageant dresses. They're coming with me. They're some of my friends. So we're gonna go do that. I'm probably gonna vlog some more so you guys can see what I'm trying on, be on this journey with me. But I gotta go home and shower first and actually look presentable to go try on dresses, because right now I literally just rolled out of bed to go nanny this morning, and now we're here. Also, I have the worst cramps of my whole entire life, so that's fine. But I will keep you guys updated, and if you guys like vlogs, you know, let me know, because this is actually kind of fun to do. I kind of like just being able to drive in my car and talk to you guys. Maybe I'll get a better setup one day so you don't have to like look at me through my steering wheel. But if you like vlogs, let me know down in the comments below, and I'll try and do some more vlogs for you. Maybe I'll actually get like a legit vlogging camera instead of using my iPhone, because I would use like my actual camera, but that baby's big. She thick with 8 C's, and I ain't trying to take that everywhere I go. But I'll see y'all in a little bit.
Upload this video.
Okay guys, I suck as being a human being. I forgot to vlog like the rest of the day. Hello! I'm with Sydney and Faith, who I told you I was going to be with. There they are, being wonderful human beings. So we went to Henry's, the place that I was telling you about to get pageant dresses. I'm going to insert some photos of what they looked like because I didn't vlog while I was there. So check those out. But they're making fun of me right now. I hate them.
Check those out.
Just so you know, I wanted to buy them, but they were actually $8,000, and
oh my God,
your homegirl was not about to do that.
My man's speaking. Man down.
Yeah. Does one of y'all want to hold this?
Sydney does.
Sydney wants to hold it. Hello.
You have bloopers.
Do we need to vlog?
Yes, we're vlogging right now. You can't hold it that way.
Why?
You have to hold it sideways.
Here I am, sideways.
Okay. So tell them about Chick-fil-A. Oh my gosh.
Oh.
Tell them
We still have a man named Keanu Shrehi, the Pakistani womanizer.
I don't know where to put this, so Sydney, you gotta hold it.
I'm busy.
No, you're not
No,
allowed
it's
to hold
fine. I'm on the highway now. It's fine. Okay.
Not in it.
What do you
So-
mean we're on the highway? It's fine.
So we were at Chick-fil-A, and
No, you
I
can't tell the story because you were
wasn't
ignoring
paying
us.
attention. Yeah,
I was
ignoring
my dad. We almost got stolen and put into a car. Put into a car. Put into a car. Faith just attacked me. I was violated.
I just got splash zoned from SeaWorld at the back.
I am shook.
You know when you take it goes too far back and you can't get it out and just water just keeps coming.
You spit that all over my case paint.
I'll dry it
Did
off.
you just get
With your
red
shit.
lipstick in my white Louis Vuitton?
What are you doing?
Have you never seen that vine?
Do you have other check so I can wipe this up with.
Show him the check. Show him the check. Natalie left a $40 check on her floor, and it got soaked.
Socks, so I'm gonna drive.
Ooh,
back.
socks.
Let it go.
So we put it in the drying vent to
Listen,
dry
your
it.
vent is aggressive. It's amusing me. Okay, here I am. Please don't put that in your vlog of me spitting.
I am. I'm gonna put it in like instant replay, so it goes.
Tell me what you want. What you really
You can
want.
see
Ah!
my death face. I literally almost died.
Do you think if I push this button, it'll open your garage door?
No, because that doesn't even more.
What? I'm sorry, you? What? Where?
What?
I'm thirsty.
So guys, I want to go to this party on Saturday with Sydney, but there's a woman there that might kill me, so I don't know if I should go. So comment down below if you think that I should go and just risk dying, or possibly get into a fight with her, or if I should not go and keep my face intact. We'll take it from you guys. What do you think I should do?
Nobody knows. I think she should punch you in the face.
Punch you.
Put that in Insta replay. Punch.
Someone else hold it. My arm hurts.
No, I'm wet.
You're fine.
Oh. Well, I think that's all we have to say right now.
Toodles!
Toodles!